Hi everyone, it's Sue. Now I must apologize, I kind of dropped the ball on this one and I didn't really get around to decorating for St. Patrick's Day. But luck of the Irish, I just happened to have this green shirt in the back of my closet that I never wear, and I thought, well, I'll put it on and at least I'll be festive for the occasion. I think it looks pretty cute, don't you? Look. What the heck? I'm invisible. How did that happen? Like I've been turned into a shamrock. Oh, it must be one of the tricks the wee little leprechauns played on me for stealing their pot of gold. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to DIY today. I'm just a bouncing head. Like, I knew I shouldn't have eaten those Lucky Charms this morning for breakfast. What? Yeah, I know I'm wearing a green shirt. Exactly. But I can't see it. And I'm using a green screen. Yeah, I know. I really like using these really cool backgrounds. Green shirt, green screen. Oh, oops, my bad. Oh well, I will remedy the situation ASAP, and we will get down to crafting. Do you love the look of high-end farmhouse decor, but really hate the price tag? Me too. That's why I'm challenging you to a spring DIY dupe. Find a really expensive, high-end home decor item that you love and recreate it using inexpensive materials from the Dollar Tree or somewhere else. All you have to do is on March 24th, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, upload your video and let me know, and also include in your title #SpringDIYDupe. You also have to put in your video a picture of the high-end item, where it came from and how much it costs, and how much it costs to make yours. So hopefully you will join my challenge. So today I am going to be making another spring dupe myself. Now my hubby and I love the TV show This Is Us. So when I saw this cute metal sign on Amazon that said, "This is us, our life, our story, our home," I thought it's meant to be. Now it was reasonably priced, but still it was $17 Canadian, and I thought I could do it for a whole lot less. So it really was luck of the Irish that I already had all of these materials at home already. But if I had to go out and buy them, it would still not cost very much. I used this baking sheet from the Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd use a sanding block just to kind of scuff it up a bit so that the paint would stick. And I thought this is authentic because I'm actually going to get a real metal sign for my dupe. So then I thought I would just use a variety of chalk paints and acrylic paints to try to match the ombre effect that was in the original sign. It went from sort of a bluish tinge to a gray color. Now I just played around with the shades of paint I had to get a color that I liked. And I made sure to go back and forth in continuous horizontal stripes. Then I let it dry completely. Once it was dry to the touch, I took some black acrylic paint and just painted along the outside edges to make it look like the rustic metal in this original sign. And the best part was I didn't have to be perfect because I was going to bring some of the black paint up along the top too to look like it was peeling off. That's what I love about farmhouse decor. If you make a boo-boo, it looks just perfect. So again, I put a couple of coats of the black around here and then let it dry completely. And finally, once all of the paint was dried, I used my Cricut to try to recreate the wording and the laurel leaves that were on the original sign, and then affix them. And then I probably will go back later and put a layer of Mod Podge over everything just to seal it in. But I thought my version for about $1.50 turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think. And hopefully you join me on March 24th, 8 a.m. for my spring DIY dupe. Details are in the description box below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.